Slow internet doesn't always mean you need a more expensive plan. The problem could be Wi-Fi interference, a busy device, outdated equipment, or your internet provider. Here's how to identify the real bottleneck and fix it without wasting money. Start by running speedtest.net or fast.com several times while you're near the router. Repeat the test over wired Ethernet on multiple devices and at different times of day. Fast Ethernet with slow Wi-Fi points to your wireless setup, while slow results on both suggest a modem or ISP problem. Next, unplug both the modem and router for a full 60 seconds. Reconnect the modem first and let its light settle, then reconnect the router, wait another 30 seconds, and run the speed test again. Put your router in a central, elevated spot on a shelf or table out in the open. Keep it away from walls, cabinets, TVs, microwaves, cordless phones, baby monitors, metal appliances, and even fish tanks, since all of these can weaken or disrupt Wi-Fi. Reduce congestion by pausing large downloads, cloud backups, updates, and any unnecessary 4K streams. Check the router's connected device list for heavy users. Then use 5 GHz near the router, 2.4 GHz at longer distances, or 6 GHz for compatible devices that are nearby. If 2.4 GHz is crowded, use a Wi-Fi analyzer and select the least congested channel among 1, 6, and 11. Open your router's admin panel, usually at 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Look for firmware update or software update and install anything available. Then find device priority, QoS, or bandwidth control, and give your most important work, gaming or streaming devices, higher priority. For stationary devices like desktop PCs, game consoles, smart TVs, and work laptops, use Ethernet whenever possible. It's faster, steadier, and usually has lower latency than Wi-Fi. Cat5e handles most home gigabit connections, but choose Cat6 or Cat6a for a new installation. If your hardware is the bottleneck, replace an aging router with a Wi-Fi 6, 6E, or Wi-Fi 7 model that supports WPA3 and gigabit or multi-gig Ethernet. Replace an old modem if it can't handle the speed of your plan. In a large or multi-story home, place mesh nodes where they still receive a strong signal and use Ethernet backhaul when possible. If speed tests look good but browsing still feels slow, disable unused extensions, close extra tabs, and update your browser. Open the Clear Data dialog with Control, Shift, Delete on Windows or Command, Shift, Delete on macOS. You can also try Cloudflare DNS at 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Scan the device for malware, and document any repeated peak time slowdowns before contacting your ISP about congestion, throttling, or failing equipment. Once you test each part of the connection, you can fix the actual slowdown instead of blindly upgrading everything. Like the video if this helped, and subscribe to Online Tech Tips for more straightforward tech fixes.